literally the first one to get up today. No, first when Naisha got up, she woke me up, but somehow घर पे no one got up. Naisha, give the intro. What's up, guys? कैसे हो? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. Recognize this car, the Hyundai Verna. Now I have not been ignoring it, but I'll tell you definitely it's been like more than actually from the time I got the Seltos. I did not drive the Verna. I'll tell you why. My dad is in love with this car. Previously he did not drive this much because he had the accent. Now he's driving it a lot, and because it's a small car, he likes it more. He usually likes small cars. And look at that. That's a big car. I know it's not an SUV. Now don't give me a hard time for this as well. It's not an SUV, but it's definitely a bigger car than the Verna, and he doesn't enjoy driving that. And oh yes, as you guys know, दोनों का service हो गया, Seltos का as well as the Street Twin का, and you have to definitely look at it in the 120 fps shots. I've done some new settings on this camera. Let's try some beautiful 120 fps shots. Alright, coming up in 3, 2.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says.
By the way, today I'll be taking the Seltos for its registration, permanent registration. Will not be getting the number plates right away, but first I'll have to submit all these papers. And after I think 1 or 2 months, at least 1 month as per rule, they'll be sending the actual original number plates to the showroom, and then I have to go to the showroom and get them fixed. Pretty complicated process, but right now I'll be sending all these papers to my RT agent, and he'll be booking a slot, and then I'll have to take the car and go today. Hopefully today. So done with a Khatharma call a workout. Today I worked out my abs. So now let's go home, and I need to call a Sony service center. Hopefully they fix my old camera. I don't know what I'm going to do with the old camera. Let me first get it. First thing I do once I come back from my workout, I have proper dark black coffee. It's like a double shot. Dad is cleaning his car. Should I call this Dad's car? Is me car or our car? Public has a lot of confusion.
This is sports car.
Is Seltos my car? I'm not driving the Verna much.
This fellow, when he was so small, he used to take my boots. When he was so small, he used to take my jeans.
I had this fascination about that, boots and jeans and all that. But now, actually, I got Seltos for Dad. But he's not liking the Seltos these days.
I like this. This is like cheetah.
He likes small cars, basically.
Yeah, 2,200 kilometers. Myself, my wife went,
Even first when we got the Accent and the Sandro, he liked the Sandro more. First he thought he'll drive the Accent, but that didn't happen. He wanted a smaller car. Same thing, that's a little bit huge car compared to the Verna, so he's sticking with this.
This is super. Like
how many kilometers did you do in that Seltos?
Hardly 100.
Not even 100, I think 20 or 15.
Malkajgiri.
Only Malkajgiri. Rest all 1,000 kilometers I did.
Yeah.
This one he started driving more now.
This I did around 3,000 in last 1 month.
Yeah, they went for this Coorg trip.
Yeah.
Coorg and...
I went from here to Bangalore non-stop. From Bangalore I went to Mysore. From Mysore I went to Madikeri. From Madikeri I went to Coorg. From Coorg I went to some hilltops, waterfalls. Almost touched the Kerala border.
Inspired by me.
Yeah, exactly. This fellow.
I go on the bike though, he goes in the car. Waiting for Naisha to come because as soon as I come back from gym, first thing I do is take her for a small trip here in this lawn on the Dio. She likes that. Today she's not here. She went to take a bath. Once she comes, we'll do that. Okay, Naisha is here. Had a good shower. Let's go for your trip. I mean, chota sa trip. Micro nahi, nano trip. Okay? Inside the lawn only. अच्छे से बैठो. Sit properly. Yes. Aishu, pip pip karo. Pip pip. She's scared of it. Pip pip. Do it. Kuch na hota, do it. Karo. Okay, okay. You do? Do? No. Already all fresh. I'm calling the service center, the Sony service center, if my camera is ready. Actually, day before yesterday they called me and said the camera is ready, but then I was not here. I went for the street Twinka service, so I couldn't take it. I said I'll be coming today, but then they were a little bit doubtful. They said they might be shut, so it's better we call and go. Otherwise, after going there, if it is shut, I'll get really irritated. Though today is a working day, but festive season na. So, open unda ivala? Yes, sir. Okay, నేను వస్తాను ఒక half an hour 45 minutes లో. అంతే ఓకే కదా కెమెరా? Okay, thank you. The camera is ready. Let's go get it. After coming from service, this is the first time I'm going to drive the Seltos. Car looks really clean and new because from the time the car was delivered to me, that time it was a rainy season, I did not take the delivery right. The moment I came and saw the car, it was all dirty. This is the first time I'm seeing the car like really clean. For now, let me put all the things back inside. There are a couple of things that I always keep in my car. First, at least 2 microfiber cloth. Sanitizer. Very, very, very important. And where is it, yaar? You can forget everything but not a sanitizer and the mask, some chewing gum, and again like how do you people know that Shriman is vlogging? Let's send a flight. Seriously? USB cable, sunglasses, HD glasses. By the way, I've done a proper leg workout like 2 days back, but because since the last 2-3 weeks I'm not working out my legs, it's paining like hell. I'm not able to walk since the last 24 hours at least. It should recover soon, hopefully. Seat position right now is a little bit theda. I think Kia car driver changed it horribly. I hate this one thing. You know, one more feature that would definitely be appreciated is seat position profiles. This one doesn't have that. I mean, already got a lot of features in the car. Not complaining about that, but if someone changes the seat position to get back to your original position, it takes a lot of time. You can't find the right setting. So for now, let's go get the camera. 11 kilometers, 26 minutes. I never go to this place. This is a place called Chikatpalli. I don't know why service center is there. There are other service centers towards the new city as well. Chikatpalli is like the old part of Hyderabad. I don't usually go that side, but in the last 1 year I went there for at least 4 or 5 times for this jack replacement. I understand I have to take care of the camera really well. Like Sony cameras are very delicate, but come on yaar, it shouldn't be so delicate as well. Especially when you're a vlogger, you bang it around left and right. See, this is one irritating problem about Chikatpalli. And especially where the Sony service center is located, there's no parking. Absolutely. I've been doing rounds since the last 5 minutes. Finally, I found one corner. Let's quickly go get the camera before someone comes and asks me to remove it from here. Are all these for sale or are they for repair? Sony, what's happening? I believe in your quality.
Check cheskoni sir, okay ante nenu deliver chestanu.
Okay. Man, it feels so light without the lens and tripod.
Sir, cheppandi.
I parked it literally in this much of gap. Okay, this is my old camera A7 M3. I don't have the lens for this, the old lens itself I'm using right now on the new camera. But luckily both the batteries are same, so I could go test it. And it works. Everything works perfectly. Let's go home and test it out like properly. I need to listen to the mic. And I'm thinking, what do I do with this body now? Should I keep it like a secondary camera or should I sell it? Let's go home. Meanwhile, while driving, I'll think about it, because this is also not cheap. The A7 M3 on Amazon right now costs 1.5 lakhs and it's got 2 more years of warranty on it. I think I should get a good price. Let's see. And by the way, look how closely I parked to the wall. I was so busy running here and there. I forgot to tell you one thing. Started the vlog saying we have to take the Seltos for the permanent registration. That didn't happen today. My RT agent has been busy it seems, so he did not take my call today. He said come back on Monday. So yes, Monday, let's do it. Oh, by the way, a lot of you people told me that in my previous video low light was not that great even on the A7 S3. I'll tell you what. Someone, one of my friends, they messed up with the settings. My preset profile is in number 2, someone changed it to 3, which takes it to 120 fps, and when in 120 fps ISO goes down, aperture increases. Because of all of that, low light performance was not that great. Next video or even in this video, actually this is very low light condition right now. I mean, how do I show you? Okay, I'll shoot the same room on the iPhone. You'll see how low light it is. Okay, I'm shooting it right now. You can see that. And look at the same thing over here. Oh, Zameen Asman ka difference is there. And oh yes, I've given a thought about my A7 M3, the older camera. And I've decided to keep it. Reason being, I don't know if this new camera, people told me that the mic jack is perfect, no issues with it. But then, thing is, it is a pretty new camera. It was released in, I think, November 2020, like literally 2 months ago. And you get problems after at least 1 year of usage. So I think I'll be using the A7S3 as the main camera. And this will be my secondary camera. For now, it is repaired and perfect. And if I can sell it, I can get at least 90,000 to 1 lakh. But then I decided to keep it. Because when these devices go for a repair, they stay there for at least a week. That's what happened with this. So I think it's better I have a Stepney. And the beast is back. What's up? What have you been doing? You've been troubling mama? Chore? Huh? I just started editing my video. Oh, you're there. That's how we started our morning. Let Papa work and you create a mess. Okay? I'll give you all the things to play. You want that? Okay. You want the face wash? Okay. Nisha, you want to wear this helmet? Want to wear the helmet? Want to wear it? You want to wear it? No? She doesn't like the helmet. Soon you'll like it, okay? No. That's not supposed to be eaten. Huh? What did you just say? This, you want Papa? You want Papa? Chotu Papa. Who is this? Huh? Nowadays she's talking all gibberish. That's how you're talking, right, Nisha? So then I think I'll end the video here. In case you guys like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and hit a like for this little cutie. Yes? See you guys in the next video.